What advice do you have for anybody that's thinking about buying a home from the vantage point of a lender?
Yeah, so I would say talk to them as soon as possible. Do not hide things. Really be as open as possible about not only your financial situation, but your financial goals. So every single client I talk to, I ask them this, and they laugh at me, but I say, what is your ideal monthly payment? And it's because I want to make sure that that is at the forefront of the way that we move through the mortgage process. So make sure that you're being open and honest, and make sure you're doing your due diligence by shopping interest rates and getting the best deal possible and getting the best help possible. So that's really all there is to it, is getting in front of them as soon as possible so that you can make sure to get through any kind of obstacles that might come in the way, and go ahead and get that fully underwritten pre-approval. So when you go to submit that offer next to someone who just has a pre-qualification letter, you're going to look as good as cash.